Hey, what's up, y'all? Dominoes Seven here. Okay. Uh, I found a bad connection on this. Okay. So anyway, I'm about to show y'all the field, the football field, and the basketball court slash soccer field too. So here we go. All right, check this out. I'm on the soccer slash football field right now, showing y'all the bleachers, the goal, and everything else. Bleachers right here. I'm walking on the football field right now. Okay. So showing y'all everywhere. You know. All right. So. All right. Here we go. All right. So showing y'all the goal and everything. So now about to go to the basketball court. Okay. All right. Oh yeah, I got something to do. Okay, I had a unexpected phone call. Okay, so that's children playing on this basketball court. Oh shoot, I pressed the wrong button. All right, here we go. So here's the basketball court right here. Okay, so the basketball. Well, I'm gonna stop this tape. I'm gonna stop this tape, okay? So I'll see y'all by Randy TV House, okay? All right.